society. What's it all about? Here at Code for America, we code for Americans, but we also, as an organization, code for all. That's all humans, but also animals and things we find compelling and need code. Many of us in this room are from the United States. Many of us are from elsewhere. Yet we are able to communicate with one another thanks to a shared set of protocols and understandings that help us to understand what to do next. For instance, when you meet someone new, you might say, "Hello, pleased to meet you," and offer a hand to shake. A conversation from that point is somewhat like the day that we all enjoy. There's a sunrise, a middle part, and a sunset. Sometimes, when we get to the end of the day, we are not sure what to do. Should I go to bed? Good question. Same goes for conversations. We can have unsure moments. We're not sure what to do. A conversation is also a meeting of the minds. We are able to share ideas from one person to another and back. And we are able to come to shared understandings and reframe and reshape the way that we think about the world. And yet, I still may need to use the restroom. This is a diagram of a typical conversation. Person A approaches person B and says, "Hello, I hear you work in software as a service." Person B says, "Yes." Person A says, "I love software as a service. Where can I sign up?" Person B says, "Yes." At this point, they have accomplished all that they were looking to accomplish, and they can move on from their night. However, they are unsure of how to do so. As technologists, we often look to technology to solve these types of problems. In fact, one of the first programs ever written was to solve this exact problem by notifying the participants of a conversation that the conversation was winding down with a series of alarms and bells. At Code for America, we take a research-based approach.
Yes.
And we have found that the most surefire way to wind down the conversation is for the participants to look at each other squarely and count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gradually close both eyes and turn away 180 degrees while saying thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Of course, there are many other ways that accomplish this goal very effectively, but maybe less natural. In the youth demographic, there's heavy use of the high five maneuver, as if to communicate to the older people that yes, they are indeed young. Not me. You can also use things like the podcast approach and say, "Okay, let's wrap it up there." Like anything that you want to be good at, it's very important to practice. A few minutes every day diagramming these scenarios can help us to become a bit more confident. When we collect a number of these things, it's good to put them in index cards so that we have them with us at all times for reference. What have we learned today? The value of research, the value of practice, but maybe most importantly, the value of always acting natural. The good news is that we are in good company here with the Code for America Fellows, and we've all been working very hard to make interesting applications that serve as good conversational fodder. So please take these tips and go mingle, keeping in mind when to transition away. And if you have any feedback for me, the presenter, please feel free to come say hello. I will not bite. Thank you.